Pretty. I am looking for poles because I need to separate the pillars from the back window, because otherwise they get all moisturized, and that's not good for pillows because then you'll get mold. So I'm looking for basically not that. So this is the pole we're after. I need it to be 130 centimeters, and that's length 183, so I'll have to trim a little bit off. Now, do I want one or two? I'm tempted to buy two to have like a double bar thing. It's gonna look like a prison at the back of the van. The 650. And now the fixings, do you want to put them through the back of the wall? No, probably want to go with a wall mount. Definitely too big. Oh, these are nice. Let's do a quick matchup. Perfect. Exactly what we're after. Jesus, £7 fucking 50. I think maybe one will be enough, I don't know. I'll go ask Mrs. M. Is two too many? Like...
Want to build your cut there?
Yeah. Just with a hacksaw. Not today, like when I get back to the garage. Two that way, just to rest the pillars in. Yeah? That's me then. What are you looking at?
I was just looking at sinks and toilets. Love it.
I used to be a brand ambassador for these guys. I've got a shit ton of their tools. I'd love to buy another one. I'm after a nail gun. But, yeah, Mrs. M will kill me. Hey, honey. Two of them. Thank you. Now I've upped the ISO to 1000 because I haven't got an I haven't got an ND filter in. I'm just doing a quick walk around to see what this looks like, because at the shutter speed of 50 it was terrible. So this is me now with an ND filter on, an ND8. I've changed the shutter speed to 100 and I'm walking. So this will be interesting to see what this bounce looks like. Completely unrelated to motorhome life, but this is a vlogging camera and I really need it to work properly because it's indiscreet. It's great. Indiscreet? Discreet. No, it's discreet. Yeah. I've even got a little mic mini on under my top. I swear I'm not being sponsored by DJI, but like I said, the versatility of this little Nano is great, but I'm trying to get the aperture right and the shutter speed right and all of that jazz. Because what I found is when I was walking in Tenerife, when you walk in, there was a noticeable judder as you're bouncing along. Now it comes with like a magnetic strip, pretty much sits under your clothing and then it attaches. So another YouTuber says try and up the shutter rate to 100. Now it did sort of sort that out a little bit when I took it to 200 when I was doing that because it was bright light. Then I put the ND filter on, which is currently got one on now, ND8. And then I dropped it down to 100, which is why you can see that, just that little bounce. No, I don't like it. I'm still trying to work out the finer details of it. But in terms of what this camera can do, I just love it. The versatility of it is just phenomenal. I was filming people right in front of their faces and they didn't even bat an eyelid. That's how discreet this is. I love it. Anyway, back to the video. No. No? We got loads of crisps.
Oh, no, fine. 3 bags of crisps.
See, what flavour's in there?
Cheese and onion, salt and vinegar.
Raw socks. The fuck is raw socks?
They're fine on this too. Put one back for you before you get a stroke.
Coffee podos.
You're getting that for Christmas, aren't you?
Hopefully. There's another one going to come on your head, and another one, and another one.
Another one bite the dust.
And there we have it, folks. My 2 bars running across the back wall, because we have this big feckin' window here above our bed. And the problem is, don't judge me, I haven't made the bed yet. I just wanted to show you this first. So, me or Mrs. M is sitting in bed, those cushions, let me go right this way, will touch that, and then we get moisture or condensation on the glass, which would then touch the pillows. And we don't want that, because that gets mouldy. So now, as you can see, when the cushions are against the rail, they don't touch the window. I'm thinking though, because our bed also has this feckin' window, so I'm thinking of putting a mounting point there and another bar and a mounting point there, like a bracket, just to protect this window blind, which is already, as you can probably see, starting to get a little bit destroyed. I don't know yet. I think the mounting points are just proud of that, but I'll give it some thought. But that was me genius. I've made a headboard. Some would say it'd be handy for fluffy handcuffs, but I can't comment on that. I'm not Mr. Grey. Now, we got this sort of toweling sort of duvet set from Tesco's. I think it was about 25 quid. Sort of matches our green interior vibe. And then I got this sort of heavy throw. I got that in Home Bargain? No, B&M. And that was 15 quid. And I don't know about you, but there's something nice just resting on top of the duvet, reading a book or flicking through your phone. How many of us read books these days? And then having a throw blanket over you. So this is why I wanted something a little bit heavier than the standard polyester things that you find nowadays, and they're classed as rugs. So I thought that was just really nice, really fluffy, and I love it. And even on top of the bed now it's winter. Obviously, you want to try and keep your gas bill down a little bit, so we get the van nice and warm, go to bed, and then just snuggle under the 2 layers. And it's just lovely. So we've got like a 13.5 tog duvet, and then that Tesco's duvet cover, and then that B&M fleecy sort of lined, heavy duty, fluffy blanket. So that's our bed corner. Definitely thinking about that pole. Just stops Mrs. M rolling into the blind. Is it a problem, or is it a solution I've come up where there isn't a problem? I'll speak to Mrs. M, see what she thinks. But yeah, I'm really happy with that 2-bar system up the back.